So Sonia, what brought you to Manna House?
My best friend Sandra, she sent me information about it. Never knew the place existed. Was very excited when I saw the information and said, yes, I'd like to go.
Okay, so have you been on a health retreat before?
No, I've never, but I've always wanted to. I've been dealing with cancer for a number of years, and within some of the groups that I'm in, they talk about going to like Mexico. Too far and too costly, but it's just seeing what they actually do, something I've always wanted to do.
Okay. So what has surprised you the most these last 10 days?
I've enjoyed the fellowship, so much to learn. The information is fantastic. The people, I love the way that during each therapy, they pray for you. Who does that? It's been absolutely wonderful, wonderful. The people, the area, everything about it. It surprised me how much I enjoyed it.
So, Sonia, was there anything challenging for you?
Water. Water is my main challenge. I do struggle with that. But yes, I'm hoping going forward that it will help, because I can see what it actually does for the body and how vital and important it is for us to drink water.
So how do you feel now compared to when you arrived 10 days ago?
I'm literally rearing to go, to put what I've learnt and to implement, to be intentional with what I've learnt, and just seeing what it can actually do. So yeah, my biggest takeaway, discipline, being intentional, and even accountability.